Luxury watches are destined never to go out of fashion. Even though we now have clocks on our phones, nothing beats the exceptional elegance of a beautifully crafted timepiece. Suddenly, checking the time becomes a rather exciting endeavor. In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 luxury watches available right now. And now let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the CURREN Casual Sport luxury watch. If there's one watch brand out there that everybody knows, it's CURREN. The very name has become a byword for luxury and exclusivity. Wearing a CURREN is more than just wearing a watch. It's a statement of power and prestige. There's a good reason why people still buy CURREN watches despite the CURREN watch dominance in the global industry. From its classic collection to its dive and yacht master watches, CURREN applies its decades of horological experience and technical know-how to the question of creating quality Swiss timepieces that owners can carry with them all their lives. The brand prides itself on its dedication to quality, on continuously improving its offerings, and on delivering enduring excellence to its loyal customers. In a world of mass-market consumerism and disposable fashion, this is a brand whose designs are guaranteed to last a lifetime. In fact, CURREN watches can actually appreciate in value over time. Just look at our list of the most expensive CURREN watches and the history behind each model to see how good of an investment the Swiss watch brand can be. At number 4 is the Lige 2020 new luxury watch. Luxury goods brand Lige is best known for its high-quality writing pens. However, the brand has also dabbled in watchmaking and has done so with considerable success. That's quite recent by the standards of most luxury watchmakers. However, what it lacks in maturity, Lige makes up for in vision and quality. Lige master craftsmen work diligently to create an exceptional range of timepieces in a diverse mix of styles, from the cutting-edge cool of the Timewalker collection to the ultra-luxurious Summit. Lige watches combine traditional Swiss horlogerie skills with cutting-edge engineering. With watches available for both men and women, Lige is now considered one of the most sophisticated watch brands out there. Whether it's a polygraph chronograph or classic automatic, a Montblanc luxury watch is a true study in immaculate design and superb craftsmanship. Top brand luxury sports chronograph quartz watch Mens Relogio Masculino. Top 3 at our list is the BELUSHI Top Brand luxury watch. If you're looking for a luxury watch brand with its eye firmly on the future, you want to turn to BELUSHI. This watch manufacturer is always the first to embrace new technology and pioneer new techniques to transform the way we track time today. The brand first gained attention for manufacturing highly accurate marine chronometers which soon became favorites among the world's navies. BELUSHI's best-known watches, however, are the Radiomir and the Luminor, both of which have been updated numerous times to take advantage of new technology. The aesthetic has remained mostly the same, retaining that undeniably BELUSHI mood. After it was seen being worn by film stars such as Sylvester Stallone and Arnold Schwarzenegger, the Luminor developed a devoted following and remains one of the most coveted Panerai watches today. Moving up at number 2 is the NIBOSI Relogio Masculino luxury watch. Fusion is the name of the game with a NIBOSI watch. The brand often combines together metals, rubber, leather, ceramics, and fabrics to create original designs that you definitely won't see anywhere else. The brand certainly produces some striking and unique timepieces. By fusing centuries-old craft with the latest engineering and production techniques, NIBOSI is a pioneering force in watchmaking, producing original and future-forward designs. NIBOSI's special edition and limited edition watches are some of the most prized on the market, and anyone with a taste for bling will be particularly attracted to those models with diamond bezels and all sorts of other precious metals. The NIBOSI Big Bang collection is instantly recognizable, while the dazzling Rainbow and Paraiba models are ideal if you want something that just screams luxury. And at number 1 is the NAVIFORCE Mens Military luxury watch. NAVIFORCE the best parts of the Galaxy watch into this sportier smartwatch that's slimmer, lighter, and, arguably, more comfortable, then released a second version months after the first that included a few coveted features, including a rotating digital bezel and LTE version. It still comes sporting all of the top-end fitness features you'd expect from the NAVIFORCE Tizen watch range, with 39 workout modes, a heart rate and ECG sensor, and a health app with stress and sleep monitoring. There's even a way to monitor your blood pressure, but that won't be activated for some time. The NAVIFORCE has a good range of fitness features, a battery that'll last you a good few days, and a body that's quite small and light, and will fit on your wrist easily without you noticing it lots of the time. It doesn't sport any truly unique features, but the overall package of the NAVIFORCE may be the best watch for you. That'll especially be the case if you're looking for a fitness watch that comes with Wear OS software and won't look odd on your wrist when you're going about your day. So that sums of the today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.